Now that looks bomb. This is my pork ribs, already blanched, rinsed, and dried these off. We're gonna marinate this with some shallots and black pepper. I'm gonna mix this up. It's a lot harder than I thought. How are you sitting over there? Sitting pretty? Heating up some oil. Then we're gonna add our ribs. We're gonna give this a nice sear. After a couple minutes, mix this up. We're gonna sear the other side. There's a nice crust on this. Now we're gonna remove everything. In the wise word of my we're gonna remove all these burnt pieces. Then we're gonna add this concoction in. This is a 2-1-1-1 ratio of water, fish sauce, sugar, and vinegar. We're gonna cook this until it starts to thicken. If you want it spicy, you can add some Thai chilies. I'm not going to because it's gonna be for my husband and my kids. This has thickened up quite a bit. Now we're gonna add our ribs back in. We're gonna cook this until our ribs are cooked through. Ooh, why is this one on its period? This one too. Our ribs are gonna look something like this when they're cooked through. Now we're just gonna make this pretty like Andy and spicy like me. Oh, that was so bomb. Those peppers are gonna burn my booty hole.